What's up guys, this is Dirty FPS and I have a little tutorial today to show you how to improve your microphone quality if you have a poor quality microphone. I've watched a lot of YouTube videos where people have good commentary, good gameplay, but their microphone sounds really bad, has a lot of hissing and a lot of background noise. So I'm going to show you now how to remove that. You know, I looked a lot all over the place to see if I could find a tutorial on this when I had this problem. I couldn't find anything, so hopefully this is helpful. Anyway, here's my recording and I'll show you what it sounds like so you can see what I'm kind of dealing with. This is a recording to show you how shit my microphone is. It is a complete and utter piece of garbage. Therefore I will show you in this video how to make it not a complete and utter piece of garbage. So what you want to do is click here, which is the event FX, and then you go to Event Express FX Audio Restoration, click Add, and then OK. And then you might have to mess with the settings, but these are the settings which work the best for my voice. The real settings that make a difference is reduce noise, affect frequencies above, and the noise floor. Anyway, I'll play this for you now, and you can see that it's affected it by the fact that this is green now, and I'll show you what it sounds like. This is a recording to show you how shit my microphone is. It is a complete and utter piece of garbage. Therefore I will show you in this video how to make it not a complete and utter piece of garbage. As you can see, it now sounds a lot better. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and it was helpful. Thank you for watching.